All right, you ready to go to Cabo?
Let's go.
We're ready. It's like 6 in the morning. All right, we made it through security and now we're about to get something to eat. Oh, my hair is so short. And then board our plane. We only have like 30 extra minutes.
That's right. The middle. Too big for the middle.
This is exactly what you said on the last flight. Remember when we vlogged? We're on the plane. Aaron's got a middle seat.
Big boy in the middle.
Yeah, but we got our coffees. And yeah, the plane's pretty nice. We're in the back, so that's good. We made it!
Sit at the theater.
I like this open air thing. What do you say?
Said he's at the theater. I see he's over there. Holy cow. Dr. Pepsi and those keys everywhere.
Okay, so here is a little room tour. This hotel is so nice and new. So when you walk in, you have this full-length mirror right here and this little slot so you can see into the bathroom. And then if you turn, you've got the toilet in there, nothing super exciting. But look at this room, it's so cute. It's brand new. Got this nice big tub, the bathroom, and the shower is super nice. This is what the shower looks like. It's got a lot of space. And then, I know. Then we have the mini bar. So you got all the liquor that you can just drink as much as you want. And then we have the actual mini bar little area with some water, some Pepsis, some Dos Equis, some Canada Dry, like literally anything you could ever want is in here. And then we have the bed and the TV. And then let's see what the view looks like. Oh wow. A nice view of the Cabo Arch.
That was a really nice view.
Oh my gosh, we're so excited. Can we go outside, babe? We can sit out here every morning and eat breakfast. Wow. This is amazing. Thanks. So we have our own little patio area. And then this is the view.
Hola, señorita, your name and where are you from? Nombre, ¿dónde nos visita?
We've got these little swim up bars. These little sunbathing chairs right there. Wow, just wow. Oh, it's freezing. It's just gonna be a vlog of you. It's first full day. We're going out to the beach. Aaron had a good breakfast. And now we're gonna go out and walk the beach for a little bit and then go lay out by the pools, but it's such a pretty day. Like, oh my gosh, that view. It's never gonna get old. Dinner. This is my plate. And that's yours.
See the difference.
It's so good though. You enjoying yourself?
Very.
Very? Just very?
Muy bueno.
Where are you going tomorrow?
Pescas. Or I don't know. Fishing.
Yeah, that's right.
Going fishing.
Deep sea fishing.
Deep sea fishing. Too bad I can't do it. But these.
You'll be falling off the boat. We just got room service. Aaron's really, I mean not room service. We brought our food back up to our room. Aaron's really excited. And they cleaned our room. It's all nice and clean. He's having a good time. And this is my plate. I love pasta and anything starches, so yep. Okay, so it is day 3. Aaron is deep sea fishing today, so I just had some room service. I have some fruit, coffee, a lot of toast, some yogurt, that looks interesting, and then coffee and orange juice, and they brought me some milk for my coffee, so I'm really excited. Look at this feed this morning. It's crazy. I hope Aaron's having a good time. I told him to get some vlog clips, so we'll see if he can while he's on the boat, but I hope he doesn't get sick. But yeah, so this is the view. It's so pretty. So I'm just gonna eat my breakfast and wait for him to get back. Oh, I got that on video too. My nanner.
My nanner.
So we're at dinner, a really nice dinner tonight. Aaron's looking really cute. We got some wine, and it's an Italian restaurant. So don't know what to get, but it all looks really yummy. So fancy. my first Mexican authentic margarita. Here's got a cerveza. Looks so yummy. So our last breakfast. Very sad. We're ready to see the doggies though.
I'm just happy to see the food.
Just checked out. It was really sad, but now we have to wait like an hour until our transportation gets here. It's sad. Are you sad?
No, I'm ready to go home.
We're always ready to go home, but we had a really good time. This lobby is so pretty. Maybe one last overview. It's all open air. They give you champagne when you check in. It's just so nice. So, but yeah, we had a great trip, but we're ready to be back and see the doggies and get back into the swing of things. But it was a much needed vacation for sure.